Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to access information about what your ballot would entail in your next election. A website that is very useful in finding that information is called vote411.org. So you want to enter that website, vote411.org, into your web browser. Once the page loads up, click on the blue tab Find What's on Your Ballot, and it will pop up with this screen asking for your address. Type in your address and click Submit. Next, you are able to choose your party. You can choose Show All, None of These, Democratic, or Republican. Then click on Go to My Races. Currently, there are only two languages available, English and Spanish, so we're going to leave it on English. Then once you click on Go to My Races, the information that will show up on your ballot appears on the next screen. What you can do now is click on the first race category. Once the tab opens up, it will give you a description of what the position is, and then it will list the candidates at the bottom of the page. If you click on the picture of the candidate, information about the candidate will generate at the bottom of the page. Compare buttons will also appear under the other candidates' pictures. If you want to know how other candidates compare, you can click on the Compare button and view the results at the bottom. You can see each candidate's answers to these questions. This is a great way to know more about where each candidate stands on issues that are concerning. You also have the option of selecting a candidate, since at the end of this you have the option of emailing your choices to yourself. Another important thing that I want to point out on the site is the Candidate Debate Videos button at the bottom of the page. If reading the questions and answers are not enough, you can click on this link to see the debates. If you scroll back up, you can click on the next arrow to move to the next race on your ballot. Again, like the first race, it will provide information on each individual candidate, and you can compare their stats. Some things that appear on your ballot may not be about voting for people, but you'll get to vote for laws passing, like in this particular ballot. The information that shows up is very important to read and pay attention to. On this ballot, there is an explanation on what the proposed amendment is going to change on the current law. It will also let you know what voting yes and no means on this question. Make your selection, and then click on View My Races at the top of the page. Once you are all done going through your races, you can click Finish. The page will give you an option to send your selection to your phone or email. Type in your information and they will send your selections to you, in case you forget who and what you are voting for. Otherwise, if you don't want your selections sent to you, you can always close out of the browser. That's all the steps you would have to take to read more about what is on your ballot. I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.